Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Awesome Word die. This is such a great sentiment that can be used for so many different occasions: birthday, graduations, encouragement, just to name a few. This die measures 3.5 inches long by 1 inch wide. This is what it looks like when you cut it out, and it has a really nice font to it. I did make a card for you. I paired the Awesome die with the new Simple Sentiment die and the new Thatched Embossing folder, which I used for the background. I hope you enjoyed this release, and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.